I suppose the best one. Hello. I say cheese. I hate my picture talk.
Where are we?
Where are we? Marg's Takeaway, Marg's Café. We're in Denbigh, North Wales. Love to see you. Homemade food.
And it's really good. So if you look over there, that's a gorgeous chicken and ham pie, isn't it?
Get over there, Casey.
And I'm going to get ripped into that. I'll show you that when it's all plated up.
Oh yes, we'll show you that.
Okay, this is my meal. This is what I've just been served in Marg's Café in Denbigh. And look at that chicken pie. Look at that.
But they're good, aren't they?
How good is that? So that's chicken and bacon pie with chips and peas and gravy. Check out that. That's the apple pie, isn't it?
That's homemade, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. That is really good. Okay. So get yourself to Marg's Café in Denbigh and get yourself some good grub, and it won't break the bank either. It's really, really competitive prices. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.